Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find every email in your Gmail inbox with images attached. Whether you're searching for a crucial work file, a favorite family photo, or just curious to see what memories are tucked away in your emails. This is the updated method for 2024. Made simple and quick using the Gmail app on your phone. Let's jump right in. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the right account if you use more than one inbox. Once you're in, look near the top of your screen and tap the search field. This is where we'll start filtering your emails to find just what you need. A series of helpful shortcuts will appear just below the search bar. Among these options, look for the button labeled Attachment and give it a tap. Instantly, Gmail will begin filtering out all those plain text emails and focus only on messages that include any kind of file attachment. But we're after images specifically, like JPGs or PNGs. To narrow things down further, you'll spot an option labeled Images. Go ahead and select it. Now Gmail is showing only the emails in your inbox that have image files attached. Scroll through this list, and you'll see every message with image attachments, all organized according to your inbox. It doesn't matter how old the email is. Gmail's powerful search will pull them all, whether they're business documents, scanned receipts, or those forgotten party photos from years ago. This quick method saves you from endless scrolling and guessing which emails had pictures, especially when you need something in a hurry. So instead of rummaging through your entire inbox, a couple of taps is all it takes to see any image someone sent you over the years. That's it. Now you know the fastest way to find emails with image attachments in Gmail. It's a real time saver for organizing, backing up, or simply reliving old memories found in your inbox. Give it a try and never lose track of those important images again. Thanks for watching.